Hi all! Welcome back ulit sa ating YouTube channel, and for today's video and content, another unboxing na naman tayo, but this time, pass muna tayo sa mga iPhone, dito muna tayo sa mga Androids. So we have here Nubia Neo 3. So share ko sa inyo guys kung gaano nga ba kaganda ang ating Nubia Neo 3, especially kung saan ba namin siya nabili. So ano pang hinintay nyo? Tara, check natin. Ayan so far yung ating unboxing dito sa ating Nubia Neo 3. So let's explore this phone then. Ayan. So let's open this one. So while ina-open natin, ito yung kanyang design. As you can see, ayan, meron siyang camera. Umiilaw yung kanyang mata right here. Ayan. Angas, no? Para siyang pang gaming phone. Para pag nilaro mo, siyang lakas-lakas mo. Pag naglaro ka ata dito, mythic ka kagad pag sa ML eh. Ayan, so ito na yung ating Nubia Neo 3. As you can see, naka-open na siya. So explore naman natin ito. Ayan. Ayan, okay. So, ito yung mga na-download na naming games. Sa settings muna tayo, of course. So, lower natin yung brightness para nakikita nyo pa din. So, about phone, ayan. Android 15 siya. Nubia Neo 3. Our RAM natin is 16 GB of RAM, 128 GB of ROM. Ito yung kanyang chipset, T8100. Na may octa-core at clock speed na 2.2 GHz. Yan, meron tayo dito. Sa system update, as you can see, ayan ang ating system update. Alright, sa battery, ayan yung ating battery option. If you want, yun, nakikita dito yung battery percentage. So, notification, ayan, display. We also have display in here. Ayan, may dark mode na yung display niya dito. Ayan o. Meron din tayo dito team and also personalization. So, andito yung mga themes if you want to download some themes and also wallpaper and lock screen. Ayan, may color and shape din dito if by any chance. And ito yung pinakamaganda na feature nila is yung light strip nila. So, we have here green, yung lights, ayan, as you can see, green na siya, na parang humihinga, breathe nga kasi. So, we also have here flashing, ayan yung flashing naman. You also have an option to change the color if you want it to be purple, ayan yung purple natin. Ayan. So, notification if you want to change the color and also yung sa alarm clock din actually, ayan meron kang option. So, meron tayong features dito, ayan, system navigation, ayan, kung gusto nyo lang nasa swipe up or yung parang merong button dito sa baba. We also have here record screen, ayan, if gusto nyo bang i-turn on yung mic para naririnig din kayo if ever na nag-gaming kayo or you want to record yung gaming nyo. Ayan, ayan, device unlock, ayan, fingerprint and face unlock. So, ito yung ating, we also have fingerprint in here. Add fingerprint since meron na tong fingerprint. Ayan yung fingerprint niya. So far, okay naman. Let's try to register our finger. And then, lock natin yung phone. Okay. Try natin. Okay, isa pa. Alright. So far, okay naman siya. So, that's it for settings. Let's proceed to the camera. Of course. So, yun yung camera niya. May telephoto din siya, pero I'm not sure if telephoto talaga siya eh. Pero ganyan lang siya. Nakita niyo yung kuko ko. Ayan, hanggang ganyan lang siya. May sports, pro, ayan. Dito tayo banda. Ayan. So, dito tayo para nakikita to. So, may pro, may camera. Ito yung vlog na sinasabi ko sa inyo. Ayan o. Parang may transition na siya kagad if by any chance na ano. May dual capture din. Ayan. Panorama, full size, time-lapse, document. This one is good for mga students. Ayan. Pwede nyo siyang gamitin, tong documents. Multi-exposure, monochrome, ayan. AI camera. Sa AI camera nila, meron din tong filter. Ayan, mga filter. Ayan. Meron ding timer. HDR. May flash, of course. Video recording, 1080p, 30 fps. Ayan, pwede mo ding i-turn on yung video anti-shake off. Tingnan natin. Ganyan siya pag naka-off and then pag naka-turn on, okay. May difference naman. Night and then yung front-facing camera. Ayan, night. Video recording, front-facing camera. May option ka din dito for beautification Ayan to maximize or smoothen your skin. So far, yan lang naman yung camera natin dito sa ating Nubia Neo 3. So, here is our Nubia Neo 3. As you can see, ayan, titanium gold yung available or yung color na pinurchase natin. Again, mabibili natin to sa Shopee. Nasa description box po yung ating link for you to make sure na nasa legitimate shop kayo. This is 8,000 pesos, 128 gigabytes of ROM, and then 8 plus 8, 60, total of 16 gigabytes of RAM. So, 16 gig and 128 gigabytes yung storage nito. So, pagdating sa battery capacity, this is 6,000 milliamp hour battery capacity. But, let me correct myself when it comes sa battery capacity. I'm not sure kung ano yung previously na na-mention ko doon sa battery capacity. When I saw the website regarding this Nubia Neo 3, so when it comes sa kanyang specification, ang nakalagay kasi dito is 6,000 milliamp hour battery capacity. Hindi ko matandaan kanina mention ko earlier, but alam ko talaga 5,000. But this this Android phone is 6,000 milliamp hour battery yung capacity niya. So, meron kasi isang website doon nakalagay na 5,000 milliamp hour battery or 6,000 milliamp hour battery. So, medyo na-confuse ako doon. But, dinoble check ko siya sa website and this is 6,000 milliamp hour battery capacity. So, pagdating naman sa kanyang, this is just a quick pahapyaw lang when it comes sa kanyang specification. So, pagdating sa chipset nito pala mga sis Mars, dito, this is Unisoc T8100 kasi yung nabasa ko sa isang website na naman is alam nyo na I don't know if that is 5G kasi sabi nila may 5G daw. This is Unisoc T8100 at pagdating naman sa kanyang GPU, meron itong Mali G57 as I mentioned then same lang naman din sa na-mention ko earlier. And meron siyang dual main camera. So, yung main camera niya is 50 megapixel. And then, yung selfie camera niya is 16 megapixel. Video sample of Nubia Neo 3 currently using the front-facing camera. So, nandito ako ngayon sa Starbucks. Medyo maingay. I'm not sure if naririnig nyo ako, but this is the video sample. So, let me just rotate the camera using the main camera. So this is the main camera of Nubia Neo 3 with 1080p resolution and 30 fps as you can see. Well, actually not bad. Medyo hindi lang ganun ka-stabilize yung ating video. So this is Nubia Neo 3 dual capture. So let's try to explore this camera. Alright. So let me go ahead and proceed sharing you guys my thoughts and also feedback when it comes naman sa camera ng Nubia Neo 3. So upon checking and also my own experience with this Nubia 3, so far is good. Wala naman ako nakitang problem. Meron lang talaga kasi I'm not sure what happened, but yesterday kasi nung nasa store box ako, I didn't notice na meron pala siyang anti-shake off sa main camera if you're going to use the main camera for video. Hindi ko siya na-turn on, pero I'll go ahead and try to check that and explore more pagdating doon sa camera niya, and then mag-insert na lang ako ng separate video dito din pa rin sa ating video right now. So, going back again, medyo ma-shaky siya nung hindi ko siya tinurn on, pero nung nakita ko naman na saan ko pupunta, lab?
Dito magpipicture.
Pero nung tinurn on ko naman yung anti-shake off video nila na feature, medyo okay naman siya. Though, ayun nga, pag sa video recording, pag zoom in mo siya ng sobrang zoom in, like, kasi may option ka to zoom in the video up until 10 times zoom in. Expect nyo na sobrang labo na yan. Hindi siya ganun kalinaw. I'm not sure if may telephoto siya, pero again, meron nga doon sa website. Kaya medyo nakaka-confuse din at nakakalito. But then again, based on my experience, hindi siya ganun kalinaw pag zoom in mo siya, unlike sa ibang Android phone. So, for the 50 megapixel main camera is actually fine din pagdating sa outdoor, lalo na pag maliwanag. And pagdating naman sa selfie camera, okay naman at wala naman ako naging problem. So, let's proceed na if I can recommend this phone. So, 8,000 pesos for this Android phone with a good quality chipset, camera. Basically, maganda din yung camera niya. May mga meron mga ano lang din, pero that is understandable. So, camera, chipset, battery, capacity, yun pa lang ang nabanggit ko. Actually, I can recommend this phone na eh. Lalo na nung nakita ko pa yung display ng phone na to. So, yes, I can recommend this phone within this year 2025. Maganda yung Nubia Neo 3. I guess I can call this phone as a gaming phone na din. Kasi maganda yung chipset niya for gaming, na experience ko din naman yan sa ating game test. So, maganda yung gaming ko dito sa Nubia Neo 3 and maganda din yung camera. So, if you're going to ask me about the camera, yes, I can still recommend this Nubia Neo 3 to be purchased. Again, nasa description box yung link natin. Yun lang naman so far yun na observe ko with this phone. Medyo yun lang, siguro nakaka-confuse lang pag naghanap talaga kayo sa website ng specification. Kaya kailangan talaga i-check nyo kung saan talaga yung makikita yung accurate website. Makakita naman ako ng accurate website, and nakorek ko din naman yung previously na mention ko earlier. Aside from that, yung kanyang chipset na Unisoc T8100. So, so far mga sis-Mars, yun ang aking feedback when it comes sa camera ng ating Nubia Neo 3. Again, I'm not a pro when it comes sa reviewing ng mga tech. I'm just sharing you guys my own thoughts, feedback, and also my experience with this phone. So, don't forget to follow me on my TikTok account, a.stories. Again, doon ko ipapost yung mga ibang videos natin para din mapanood nyo sa TikTok, not only dito sa YouTube. Okay? So, my name is Maring Ana. See you ulit sa ating next camera review buyers.